Hi, this is Brian Hong, and we'll be discussing a lot about Excel charts. And I'm actually using Excel 2019. The good thing with this one is it's very similar to Excel 2013 and Excel 2016. So let's discuss about radar charts. So in Excel, they are very handy to show a rating on several performance areas. So you can see over here in the example, we have accuracy, profitability, responsiveness, speed, and quality. And it also reminds me of video game characters, wherein it's usually used to represent the stats of your character, for example, so that you can see where the weaknesses are and where the strengths are. So when I had to give out performance reviews, it was a very helpful snapshot for me to show to my colleagues on how their performance was compared to the previous year. So for example, this one, we have this table over here. We have the different categories. We have the different ratings, right, for the year 2016. And then on the other column, it's for the year 2017. So let's create a radar chart over here so that we can have this similar output. So let me just delete this and let's go for the steps on how to input your radar chart. Okay, so first things first, let's highlight the table and then let's go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Okay. And then afterwards, let's go to All Charts, look for Radar over here, and then make sure you select Radar with markers, right? Let's just select this one. This is what we're after. Go OK. And with just that, just quickly resize this, and now you have your radar chart. You can see as well on where the strengths lie, where are your weaknesses, and then you can also go to the Design tab under the Chart Tools, and you can actually select different designs, right? If you want a different kind of representation, visual representation or coloring, and you can enhance your radar chart. So for example, you can also modify the chart title if you want to make it better. So for example, performance review.